SSC Words presents. We're going to learn a new word today. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more updates. Please leave your valuable comments and likes. The word we are going to learn is attentive. The meaning of attentive is to concentrate or concentrating, or to focus on a specific thing. Mary was attentive in the class and she secured high grades. My mother is attentive to all the needs of the family, whether big or small. The 3-month-old baby was most attentive in the music concert and loved to hear the music. The hotel staff was attentive and polite to the requirements of the customers. The neighbors were attentive, informed the police, and stopped the robbery.